In Canada, including Ontario, overcurrent protection for vehicle heater outlets, e.g. block heater receptacles, typically 120V, 15A20A, is governed by the Canadian Electrical Code, CEC, Rule 8-400, branch circuits and feeders supplying heater receptacles for vehicles powered by flammable or combustible fuels. This rule provides guidance on branch circuit loading and the number of receptacles, as block heaters are continuous loads, often 3 hours, e.g. 400 to 1500 WW312A. Core requirements. Dedicated circuits preferred. Most setups use a dedicated 15A branch circuit per receptacle, or duplex, to safely handle continuous loads without overload risk. Overcurrent device. Standard 15. A inverse time circuit breaker, or fuse, for typical installations. The device protects conductors per Section 14 rules. Continuous load limit, Rule 8-104. Continuous loads must not exceed 80% of the overcurrent device rating, unless marked 100% continuous. A 15A breaker thus supports up to 12A continuous safely. Conductor sizing, DAM 14 AWG copper or equivalent, for 15A circuits per Table 2 with D rating if applicable. Rule 8-400 specifics. Guides the number of receptacles and loading per branch circuit. Unrestricted receptacles, usable for other loads, often limited to 1 per 15, a circuit to prevent misuse. Restricted controlled, e.g. signed for heater-only use or timer managed. Permits more receptacles or higher loading, based on calculated demand. Overcurrent protection aligns with general rules, e.g. size to load and conductor ampacity, with no fixed minimum beyond matching requirements. GFCI protection, key update. 2021, CEC onward, adopted in Ontario. Vehicle heater receptacles are no longer exempt. Rule 26704, all 15A20. Receptacles within 2.5 meters of finished grade require Class A GFCI protection, includes most outdoor near-ground block heater outlets. Note: heaters may leak up to 4 MPa briefly, first 10 minutes per CSA standards, so multiple on one GFCI can cause nuisance trips. Use separate circuits or careful grouping. Practical examples: single 1000W heater, 8.3 a continuous, dedicated 15, a circuit, 15 a breaker, DUTH 14 AWG, GFCI protected. Multi-outlet, e.g. apartment parking. Often dedicated per outlet, 15A breakers GFCI. Shared if restricted, TOX controlled, and loads calculated per Rule 8-400. Check the latest CEC, 2024 edition applies in many areas. Ontario's OESC 29th edition, effective May 1, 2025, adopts it with amendments. Consult Electrical Safety Authority, ESA bulletins for Ontario interpretations, and always use a qualified electrician for installation TOS inspection. Voltage drop, 3% recommended, and weatherproof WR-rated covers are essential. Provide details, e.g. number of outlets set up for more specific advice.